followed by the plural count noun. So the sentence structure will be, this first clause is like subject, verb followed by so, and now this is many and few, which is a modifier. This followed by a plural count noun, and then the word that comes, and then the effect clause, which is subject and verb. So इसकी examples हम देख लेते हैं. The Smith has so many children. The word so followed by this word modifier many. This followed by plural count noun children, that they formed their basketball team. So the cause was more children, and the effect turned out to be a basketball team formation. Another example, I had so few job offers that it wasn't difficult to select one. So the effect cause was a lesser number of job offers, and effect turned out to be that there was no difficulty to pick one. So far हमने डिस्कस किया कि अगर so के बाद many हो या few हो, जब आपके पास plural count noun होगा. In the same cause अगर आपका sentence structure है, लेकिन ऐसे में आपके पास non count noun है, तो that must be preceded by the word much or little, and the rest of the sentence structure is same, where you start with subject followed by verb. This is the आपके पास cause clause है, followed by so, and the much or little, this will be followed by non-count noun, and then the word that, and then subject and verb. So the sentence will feel like, he has invested so much money in the project that he cannot abandon it now. So the cause was the higher investment, and the effect turned out to be, you have no option left to abandon the project. Another example, the grass received so little water, so followed by little. Again, water is non-count noun, that it turned brown in the heat. So the cause was less amount of water supply, and the effect turned out to be brown grass because of the heat. इन सब के अलावा कुछ और सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर कंस्ट्रक्शन है, जिसमें आपके पास सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब फॉलोड बाय सच, एंड देन फॉलोड बाय एन आर्टिकल आ, this followed by an adjective, and then a singular count noun then that, and the rest is the cause and effect आपका जो के sentence construction है. और इसी को हम इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं कि verb subject followed by verb, instead of such it will be so, this followed by an adjective, then an article and a singular count noun, and followed by that. So in that case आपके पास the rest of the sentence structure is same, but in case you are writing such, then an article followed by adjective, and if you are writing so, then adjective followed by an article. Remember one thing कि जो ये first sentence construction है, जिसमें such followed by an article and adjective, this being the more common compared to the other one. So जब आप ये sentence देखेंगे तो इसकी prevalence ज़्यादा है in terms of writing and speech compared to the second one, but both make sense and both are correct. हम इसकी example देख लेते हैं. It was such a hot day that we decided to stay indoor. Such followed by article followed by adjective. Again अगर हम so को use करेंगे तो sentence construction would be, it was so hot day that we decided to stay indoor. So the so hot day is again the same, but bear in mind